In the heart of the city is the country's greatest architectural monument, the mausoleum of the 12th century Sufi master, Khoja Ahmed Yasaui. It's a major pilgrimage site for Kazakhs, and Ian wants to know why. He's enlisted the help of one of Yasaui's modern followers, a local Sufi named Adil Beg.
The mausoleum is so important to Kazakh Muslims that for them, 3 trips to this site are considered equal to the Hajj, or the trip to Mecca that every Muslim is expected to take at least once in their life. And Sufism has often been described as a mystical Islam. It's about a personal relationship with the Creator, and it's all about love.
This is the tomb of Khoja Ahmed Yasaui.
It's said that Yasaui translated the Quran from Arabic into the local language, giving Kazakhs a direct connection to the Word of God. For almost 1,000 years, people have been following Yasaui's teachings of love and inclusion, despite outside influence.
Soviets, communists coming, and all of the religion was at that time closed to take the way. After the 1991, when Kazakhstan gained independence, they began again. All their culture, all their tradition again.
So this is the pilgrimage corridor which runs alongside the mausoleum. This is where most visitors experience Yasaui.
One is going to recite some verses from the Quran. These are pilgrims. They're all here for blessings from Yasaui. They hope that their wish will come true.
ومن الليل فتهجد به نافلة لك عسى أن يبعثك ربك مقاما محمودا.
Every Sufi brotherhood has a different method by which they attempt to communicate with the divine within us. The Yasaui brotherhood use music.
Arbil has arranged for me to join the Sufi brotherhood of Yasaui, and they're going to perform their ritual, which is very much about self-cleansing and connecting with the spark inside every single one of us.
After 3 weeks of travel, this feels like the perfect place to end my journey in what I now know as the heart of Kazakhstan. I knew that Kyrgyzstan was important,
But I had no idea that this was where so many Kazakhs feel their identity sits, in this building. And to have people reveal some of that to me was just so breathtaking.
It's been, for me, a really illuminating end to a road less travelled.